Let's draw Mr. Tree. First, you draw an oval. Next, draw the tree trunk. You draw layers under the leaves. Draw two eyes and a nose. Next is the small oval shape inside. Start by painting the eyes and nose black. Next, fill the small oval with a light green color. Next, fill the large oval with dark green. Next is green to paint the tree canopy. Paint brown to complete the stem. The step of pouring water into the sponge paper. You will see it expand much larger when water is added. This is a work that still has a lot of water left when completed. I will squeeze it out. Do you feel satisfied? Thanks for watching end of video. Click follow to watch interesting videos.